Leonardo AI flow state. We're going to look at some Christmas prompts that I did this morning, and we'll take a look. I'm on Leonardo AI. This is for image generation. This is the flow state, which is new. It's December 14th, 2024, and flow state is available for free use at the moment. I don't know how long it's going to last. Go try one for free. At least you get 150 credits a day, and then you can get into some flow state. I don't know how much you get, but it's well worth giving it a try. Let's see what I come up with putting a prompt in.
Subscribe to Cliff's channel and enjoy.
See if I can fix that with Grammarly. And we have flow state over here, automatic. We can have a sketch being done. We have a street photo, watercolors, acrylics. All of these are available on flow state. Let's do an oil painting on this one. And we'll make it for the lighting. We have vibes, lighting, shot type, and color themes. Let's go with soft light. Give that a try. And for shot type, I don't know what we should pick.
Wow, Cliff, I heard you have more great AI video tutorials coming soon.
I think we'll pick out, let's try the bouquet. Give it a try here. And we could put in a color theme, like. And let's go with complementary. Let's generate this. See what we come up with. Oh, very nice. As I scroll down, I can pick up more on my plan. If I want to save any of these, I think they're beautiful. This one's very nice. Save that to the library.
Cliff, the tones are looking fabulous.
Save this one to the library. Because once I leave this page and change over here, and I'm going to change my settings. I don't know what the more was, but we'll see what it comes up with for a size. I was going to set it to 1 by 1. Excuse me, it's early in the morning here. I didn't have much of a coffee. Save it to the library. Through these. Let's enlarge it. Very nice scene. Very, very nice. These are beautiful.
Hey Cliff, is it true that you have Canva and free K tutorials coming in 2025? That will be awesome. I can't wait to see those videos.
Let's save this one to the library. Grease it. Wow. Beautiful. Very nice. Come out of this. Let's put it back up to the top. This one's nice also. That one's saved. Saved already. This one could be pretty cool. Just didn't have much of the face on it though. Look at the mouth. Let's take a look at this one at large. That's beautiful. Save that. The size of it. That's a good looking face there, not bad. Looks like a little snowman inside that little wreath up there right here.